Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about blood grouping and RH factor. Let's proceed with our presentation. First of all, let us see what is the blood. The blood is a red liquid that circulates in the arteries and the veins of humans and the other animals which are present on this earth. There are various components which are present in the blood, such as red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, proteins, plasma and salts. Now let's talk about the functions of the blood. The blood, it aids in transporting oxygen and nutrients to the lungs and the tissues present in our body. It forms blood clots to prevent excess blood loss. It carries cells and antibodies to fight infection that a person might be suffering from. It provides body cells with oxygen and it removes carbon dioxide as we see in the process of respiration. There are different blood groups which are present. So now we are going to talk about the different types of blood groups. Say that all humans, they share same blood, but there are various types of blood groups which are present in the living beings and each one has a unique blood group. Now let us see what are the different types of blood groups. Let's now study about the different types of blood groups. In the picture you can see there are letters A, B, AB and O. If the letter A is written with a positive or an addition sign, it is known as A positive. And if the letter A is written with a negative sign, it is known as A negative. Okay, so in the same way we have B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive and O negative blood groups. Types of blood groups which we saw earlier, they depend on the presence of antigen on the surface of red blood cells. Now there are various tests by which one can determine the blood groups. One of them is agglutination. So in this picture we are going to talk about antigens. Okay, above you can see a yellow color triangle which will be a A antigen and the blue color triangle which will be a P antigen. Let us first consider AB. It is the RBC which is present in the person who is having AB as a blood group. On this you can see that both the triangles are present on its surface, so it means that a person who has AB as a blood group has both the antigens present in them. And then for A, there are only A antigens which are present. For B, there are only B antigens which are present. And for O blood group, no antigens are present on the surface of their RBCs. The presence of the antigens is very important in order to determine the type of blood group. We studied about antigens, but did you know there are antibodies also which are present in the blood of the individuals, but they are present in the plasma of the blood. And when a person meets with any injury, okay, or any accident, a person is supposed to be given the same type of blood. If different type of blood is given, then it leads to blood clots. This chart, it talks about the different blood groups which are present in the human beings, that is group A, group B, group AB and group O. On the left hand side, it talks about the red blood cell type, in which it talks about the different antigens which are present on the RBCs, antibodies in the plasma. Now remember that if a person has an A blood group, the person will have opposite antibody in the plasma. That is, if a person has A blood group, the person will have anti-B in the plasma. Same for the B blood group, anti-A. For group AB, no antibodies, and for group O, since there are no antigens, so both the antibodies are present in the plasma. This picture, it talks about the donating and the receiving of the blood groups. A person who has O negative blood group can give its blood to all the blood groups, that is positive ones as well as negative ones, but it can receive only from the O negative. And a person who has O positive as a blood group can donate its blood to AB plus, A plus, B plus, O plus, can receive only from O negative and O positive. In the same way we can proceed further, and at the end you have AB positive. A person who has AB positive as a blood group can give to only AB positive blood group, but can receive from all their blood groups. Let's revise what we saw in the earlier slide. Okay, that is the blood group O can donate to all the blood groups, and the blood group AB can receive blood from all the blood groups. Right, from this we can say that the blood group O is the universal donor and the blood group AB is the universal acceptor. So out of all the blood groups which we have, blood group AB is a universal acceptor and blood group O is a universal donor. After the ABO blood group, the RH blood group system is most important. This system, it contains proteins, that is antigens, on the surface of the red blood cells. There are about 49 defined blood group antigens of RH system, out of which D, C, small c, E and small e are the most important, and the presence or the absence of the RH antigens is determined by positive or a negative sign. For example, if a person has RhD antigen and has a blood group A, then it will be written as ARH positive. Whereas someone who does not have RhD antigen but has a blood group A, so it will be written as ARH negative. Over here, okay, we have RH blood group. We have two red blood cells. On the first red blood cells, we have green color antigens or the proteins present on the surface of the RBCs, and on the other RBC, we don't have any green color triangles or antigens which are present. So the first one, that is a cell on which the green color triangles are present, is RH positive, whereas the other one is RH negative. If you have liked my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.